In this video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a popular and profitable way to start an online business without the hassle of buying and storing inventory. With the right strategies and tools, you can create a successful dropshipping business. Let's get started. The first step in starting a dropshipping business is to choose a niche. You want to pick a niche that you're interested in and has high demand. Use tools like Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers to research popular niches. Once you've chosen your niche, find products within that niche to sell on your dropshipping store. The next step is to find a supplier who will provide the products you want to sell. You can find suppliers on websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket. Make sure to choose a supplier who offers quality products, good prices, and reliable shipping. You'll also want to establish a good relationship with your supplier to ensure smooth transactions. Now it's time to set up your online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to create your store. Make sure to choose a theme that fits your niche and create a professional-looking website. You'll also want to optimize your store for conversions by including clear call to actions and a user-friendly interface. Once your store is set up, it's time to start marketing it. You can use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to promote your store and run ads. You can also use SEO strategies to improve your website's ranking on search engines. Don't forget to provide excellent customer service to keep your customers coming back. Starting a dropshipping business may seem daunting, but with the right steps, it can be a lucrative and rewarding venture. Remember to choose a niche, find a supplier, set up your online store, and market it effectively. Good luck on your dropshipping journey.